It is time to set up my Laurel Denise Kristy planner for July. The July monthly, I should say, because I like to do the weekly stickers every week, but I like to do the monthly before I get there. And it is only June, the middle of June. And so I thought it was time, and it's all red, white, and blue and all the fun things. I did go to Planner Kate, and these are actually, no, there are a few new sticker sets or sticker sheets that I'm using this time because I wanted to test them out. So I did do the Plum 7x9 monthly, this one, for the big month layout instead of the Laurel Denise Nancy sticker sheet for the month. I just wanted to see if I liked this size and if this would work. I did go with the sampler that I've been using every single month because I love the weekend. It always has some fun little quote or image or decorative thing there. I like all of these boxes. I don't really use a lot of these doodles or many of these things, so I need to start actually using those because I have a lot of them. And the washies are really good. I don't think I got any extra washies, but I did get, because I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do for the weekly, I got what are these? These are the Scout Weekly. So if you are a Laurel Denise follower or you have different Laurel Denise planners, you'll know which one the Scout is. So I did get the Scout Weeklies because I think these will fit each week. Now, I also purchased for July, or I have the subscription for the Cocoa Daisy for July. So I don't know if I'm gonna use these with that or use these instead, or maybe keep these on the side. I have a lot of stickers to plan with and use for the weeklies, but for now, I just want to set up the monthly so that I can put things in it. So let's turn this around and we'll set up the monthly for July together. Here are the stickers that I selected for July. And you can see this one, which is the Plum 7x9 monthly. This is a little bit smaller. Let's go and look back at the last month. Where is it? It's right here. Oh, well, this won't make sense because this was a do-it-yourself, so that's not a good example. Let's go back here. Okay, so this is the one for May, and it's almost the same size, really, honestly. It looks exactly the same as this one for the Nancy. So I think it's probably exactly the same. So I didn't have to actually worry about that. So let's go to July and set this up. I was looking in my Happy Planner sticker books and I was looking for something, and this is Cheerful Seasons. And I was just going through here and I found a page. I think there's only one page of fun stickers for July 4th. Well, there's some other things. Shine Bright, Stars and Stripes. I could use these, a few of these on the first week in July. This, I
kind of feel like I may want to just, will this fit in there? No, I've already filled that box. So I thought what I could do is come and maybe add, I could use these. I may hold off on these and use these for the week. And maybe I'll use these and I'll add these in because they're kind of fun. So I'm going to hold off on those. But here is just a quick look at July. So I was thinking I should start using all of these, which I added the vacuums there. There's gym, you know, there's different things in here, grooming, whatever that I pointed out. These are good. Yeah, like these. Recycling, 1, 2, 3. There's not enough. That's the problem. There's only 4, but I can get them from other sheets because I have tons of them. So that should, if I wanted to go back, I could find them. Put them like this. See, there's only 2 recycling, but we do recycling on the same day. So maybe I'll do like this, just as a reminder. It's all there. That's it for now. I have to go back in my calendar and figure out what's going on for July. But that is a start, and it's great to have this all set up for the month ahead. I don't really use my monthlies too much. As you can see here, it's pretty empty. This one was better this April because I had all these stickers in here. Let's see. May was, we had a trip, so that was obviously better, but it's really just me to pop in here and see the month at a glance, and it's not really something that I use all the time because I'm actually in here. I'm actually working in these pages on a daily basis versus putting things in here. So I want to start thinking about how to use this, maybe using these stickers more, putting maybe higher level things just in here. Maybe I want to put, like, if it's a rainy day, maybe do that. I'm not really sure. How do you use your monthly if you're not looking at it all the time? Is it just high level things like it's a birthday and maybe a trip, things like appointments, and that's it, just high level things? Or do you use it for more specific tasks and things like that? I find like I just don't come in here and look at this that often, so that's why it doesn't get filled in as much as the dailies do. So let me know what you think and what you do.
That was so easy. I love using the Planner Kate stickers because I've been using them every month now for, I think, a full year in my Kristy planner, that I just know where I like to place everything. Oh, it's like paint by numbers because you're going to put the days of the week here, and I do like to put the washi here to separate the days of the week for the weekend, and I do like getting this for the weekend and the whole of July. And one of the main reasons I started getting them is I just love these little holiday stickers. So I've been using them, for a full year. I think I started in the Kristy a year ago, July. So, or is it July? Yes, I think it was July. So I've definitely loved those sticker sets. And as far as the weekly ones, I'm going to test out most likely these Scout weeklies for at least the first week in July because I think they're really fun, the colors and stuff for the holiday ends. So I think I will end up using these. So check back for that video. But for now, that's July, and thank you so much for hanging out with me for this video. If you've not hit the like or subscribed or left a comment, I would love to hear from you. Any tips, tricks, thoughts would be really appreciated. I'm always looking at ways that I can do this better or suggestions, other sticker resources. If you've got some ideas of how to use my monthly more, let me know. I would love to hear from you. And I will see you in the next video.